Okay, hello. So this is going to be the quiz on deriving using the definition of derivative. Um, so they want you to find f prime of x, and our function is f of x equals 1 over x squared. So go ahead, if you need to write down the problem, go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so now I'm going to um, actually do the actual quiz. So if you're not ready, go ahead and pause the video. So yeah, so we got to use the definition. I'm going to use so we already have f of x, but we don't have f of x plus h. So let me find that real quick. So here's all you got to do is replace x with x plus h. So it's 1 over x plus h squared. So that's 1 over x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Okay, so we have to, okay, so it's going to be so we have everything we need. We can replace f of x plus h with this. And we already have f of x, and then it's all over h. So it should look something like this. Minus f of x, which is 1 over x squared. And then it's all over h. Now, on we could simplify the numerator. This is our entire numerator. So we have a complex fraction. So this is a numerator, and then this h is our denominator. So let's simplify our numerator. So we have 1 over so when we are subtracting, we need a greatest common factor. So my greatest common factor, or my GCF, is actually the mixture of those two. So it's actually going to be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Do not FOIL it out, just leave it as it is. So on this side, we're missing an x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And then over here, we are missing an x squared. So, here, let me put it, I'm running out of space. So that's going to be, on the top, it's going to be x squared minus parentheses. 1 times this whole thing is it's just itself. So it's going to be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And then it's going to be all over the GCF. So it's going to be x squared and then on the top, you can FOIL out this minus. So it's going to be x squared minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared. And then on the top, you can take out an x squared. And then also on the top, on the numerator, you can also take out an h. So it's h negative 2x minus h. And then on the bottom, it's just that. So this is just your numerator. Um, I'm going to erase something, so go ahead and pause the video if you need to copy. So I'm going to erase this part because I'm running out of space. Okay, so my numerator is h minus 2x minus h over x squared. And then it says we have to divide it by h, so divided by h over 1. So I'm going to cross multiply. So this is going to be h. And then over here, if you cross multiply, it's going to be h. And then what cancels the h's? So you're left with on negative 2x minus h over x squared. Okay, so I'm going to erase this part. So you can say the final, so you can say that f prime of x equals the limit as h approaches 0, and your numerator is going to be negative 2x minus h, and then your denominator is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. So then you got to do is replace h with 0. So it's going to be negative 2x over x squared. This is 2x times 0. Just replace h with 0 plus 0 squared. So that should give you negative 2x. So this x times x squared times x squared is x4. 2 times x times 0 is 0 plus 0 squared is 0. So it's really negative 2x over x4, but you can simplify the x's, right? So this cancels and this becomes a 3. So this proves that f prime of x equals to negative 2 over x cubed. Okay, so that is your final answer. Thank you. Bye-bye.